My name is Brittany Olson. I'm in my second year interactive media development program. I've learned things that I've never even thought I would ever learn. It's a pretty broad range of programs. You learn everything from photography to graphic design. We had audio and visual storytelling in our first year. I've always wanted to learn the development part of making websites and computer coding, which I would obviously never do on my own time. So it's definitely pushing me out of my comfort zone a lot. Extended reality just got introduced this year. And we learned how to do 360 video, which is something that I've always been kind of interested in. Things you can do with augmented reality and extended reality. And we were just playing with Tilt Brush earlier today. It reminds me of Microsoft Paint, but it's lots more intense and more technical. I've never done VR before, so this was my first time, and it's a really cool introduction. It's just such a wide range of things. I really have such an option of what I want to do. If I want to go into animation, go web development, or go into graphic design, so it really opens up a lot of doors for me. I know a couple grads that have graduated this program and now are working full-time in really neat places. And it's fun. It's a really fun program. It's pretty amazing what I've learned so far. Graphic design, or this sort of media, is such a melting pot of people. It does have that sort of community, and people are always willing to share and help and learn, which is pretty neat, and I think differentiates from a lot of other careers. The college and Thunder Bay has a good sense of community here too, so it's really helpful. It's going to be such an amazing opportunity to see people that have been doing this for so long, and people that are new into the field, and being able to bounce ideas off each other and learn tools and tricks that they've learned from the industry for being in it, or being able to just have that sort of camaraderie in the industry, I guess, is pretty exciting. The professors really care here. They're passionate about what they're teaching, and I think that's needed to learn. They take their time and they really care about what you're doing, and they help you if you have any questions, and they don't make you feel embarrassed or silly or you're asking something that's simple or obvious. If this is what I'm going to do for the rest of my life, I want to be able to enjoy it. And I'm passionate about it, and I love what I'm doing, and I love what I'm learning, so I'm really excited to bring this out to the world and learn more. I would like to work for Pixar. I mean, in a perfect world, that'd be great.